Hey y'all, welcome back. It's April Taquan with another video, and today in honor of Pride Month, I'm about to pull off this look here. Yes! I'm excited. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you're new here, be sure to hit that bell notification so you'll know when there's new content coming. And I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna dive right in. Let's get started. Okay, I have already did my eyebrows and have on my primer. Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer by Elizabeth Mott on my lid because I'm gonna do Pride colors and I want them to be good and bold. So then I'm gonna put my illuminating face primer on by e.l.f. Pride colors. We're gonna do some of this pink, which is called Max Volume. We're gonna do some of this green, which is called Green Room. We're gonna do some yellow, Under the Sun is called. Then we got some Ride or Sky, this pretty blue. I might even use some of this purple, which is called Major Inspo by James Charles palette. And it is this color here, which is this orange color called 518. I like my shirt, Queen Bee. Boop. We about to do this, y'all. What they do is they put it on top of foundation and let it set to brighten that area up and do a boop. That might be too much. And I do like a little tip here. And I do here. And I do here. your diamond, and then you do here. So, boop, boop. Who'da thunk it? I got this from Sally, excuse me, and it's Contour and Glow Cream Sculpting Palette. One of my dry sponges. And this is a good creamy. And go here. Sponge got a little mini snack in it. Take and go around here. And then we're going to take, I don't want too much in between my nose because then I can't blend it. All right, all right. See. And I'm gonna take that brush that I was blending my foundation with and blend. Oh shoot, y'all. And I need to blend more of this in. This concealer. A line of demarcation. I learned that in cosmetology school when I used to do hair back in 1999. They never went into detail about no makeup. I wish I would have went further with it. And then blend this in, which is more concealer. How does it look, guys? Pride Month is pretty cute. And I gotta blend this part in. I think I did it right. I don't know, y'all. As long as I blend, I'll be fine. I'm probably got a contour doggone brush. This is it. This is the Morphe E62. And this is what I'm supposed to do the side of the bridge of the nose with. And boom. I'm new. I said it. I said it. Boom. Here. And here. My sponge and blend. Now, don't y'all be talking about me. She don't know what she's doing. That's right. Sure told you that too. How does it look? How does it look? Can you see my diamond? Can you see my diamond? Do 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 do. Yep, I can see it. And dust some of that baking powder set off. This is CoverGirl Last Blast volume. And this is always my go-to because as you can see, I have watery eyes, allergies, but hey, I still like my face to be pulled together and my eyelashes to be on fleek. So y'all know I like to do the shake, rattle, and roll method for the lashes. This is the rule breaker. So let's put a little blush on. I'm not a blush person, but I think we go here and up, above the bronzer line. Highlighter palette. It's called Star Blazer, and the color I'm gonna use is Shooting Star. Boo boo. And I'm going to take a little and dab a little here, and dab a little here. Called Coin. Everybody like a little coin in their life. Coin by Morphe. It is a color pencil. So I'm gonna do a little coin. I'm doing that, y'all. I'm proud of myself. Cute. I didn't think I was gonna be able to pull this off. Morphe House of Lashes, and boom. How do you like? How do you like, people? I like. It's called High Maintenance, which is me. So my husband says. Boop. Boop. So how do I look, guys? I think I did well. For my first time trying all these colors, I think they came out pretty good. I think, of course, I need way more practice, but watching all the different guys and gals with their Pride colors, I mean, I think I did a good job. I watched probably about 5 to maybe 7 different videos, and they all did an excellent job. I just wanted to bring that before we leave the month of June. I will be able to bring it to you guys and do that. So this was fun. It was a challenge, and I think I did pretty good for my second video. And I really like this. It's bold, it's fun, it's colorful, it's pride, my nails. So I'm pretty excited. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you give me feedback, whether I did a good job, a bad job, what I can work on. Give me some pointers. I'm open to everything. Like I said, this is a beginner and it's for beginners. We can try this stuff together. Whatever the case may be, let's do it, y'all. So once again, this is not a face beat because we are amateurs. This is a face spank, a little face whooping. So that's what we do here is face whoopings and face spanks. And I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you also hit that bell notification, ding, ding, ding. So I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video.